What?
Heavy.
What did you say?
It's
You need what? I don't know. What Nino? You need what?
okay. Stop. You stop. Stop. Clean up with me. Okay. So what?
Clean up, ah. Nino, you help Ate. Ate is the only one cleaning up. Sige na, help Ate. Nino.
Oh, what a mess.
Look at this mess. Oh, who
You're
made the
so
mess? Who made the mess?
Nino and me.
Hmm.
Little baby. And the lettuce. What am I
Yeah. Learn to clean up your mess. Nino, help Ate. Ate is the only one cleaning up.
Yeah, no, that's how bully you when you grow up.
Oh, pag-anak mo.
Nino, clean up without it. Don't just play with your alphabet. No, I don't want to.
Shh.
Okay, then no after when you grow up. After when taller. Taller? I'm taller than you, so you will be smaller. You're smaller right now. Okay. I'm bigger. I'm bigger. I'm bigger than you. I'm bigger than you. Let's see the size. Size. Okay, look. Oh, sorry. You're not tall as me.
Clean up na. Sige na. Kaya mag-sleep na tayo.
I'm sleep with you tonight, cat.
No, you're not helping Ate. No, hindi mo.
Also, you will sleep with me tonight, Llama.
Hindi niyo help Ate na. Sige na. Look at Ate, oh.
Oh, you only care about your alphabet, not alphabet. You know?
Sige lang, Day. Just show him that you're cleaning up. Maybe next time he will be helping you na. Okay?
I'll get all these letters to the dog, so Nino will listen.
Ay, wala na eh. You listen to Ate. Sige na. Can you listen to Ate?
Yeah.
Can you listen?
Yeah.
Why not? Na, Ate's gonna keep all your magnets. Sige.
My numbers.
Hmm.
My numbers.
Siguro man ang kisaya-saya. Ate's cleaning up na, ha?